Class 12th, Subject Business Studies, Chapter 5, Organizing, Lecture 6. Good morning, students. In our last lecture, we have read about functional structure and divisional structure. In this lecture, we will study about the difference between functional and divisional structure. Fine. So let's start our topic. First of all, functional structure. We know it refers to the division of the whole enterprise according to the major functions or activities performed by it. Means functional structure is an organizational structure formed by grouping of jobs of similar nature. Means the jobs that are in similar nature are performed under functional structure, and they are divided according to the functions and organizing as a separate department. As we saw, under functional structure, a company manufacturing garments may have separate departments like production department, marketing department, finance department, etc. So, functional structure is suitable to that enterprise in which only one product is to be sold, because all the functions, or we can say all the divisions, are subdivided according to the product sold in that structure, and that is functional structure. Fine. And what do you mean by divisional structure? Divisional structure refers to the divisions of whole enterprise according to the major product to be manufactured by it. Means it is an organizational structure comprises of separate divisions, and that divisions created on a certain basis. We can say that divisions created on the basis of different products produced. In an enterprise, it is depend upon the wish of the enterprise that it is producing only one product or more than one product. So if it is producing only one product, it is created functional structure there, because it is creating department such as production, sales, all these department according to that product only. And if it is creating more than one product, if it is producing more than one product, it has to develop divisional structure. Fine. And under that structure, say it be product footwear and garments. So a large company may have two divisions, footwear and garments. Fine. Under footwear also there will be divisions of functions like production, marketing, finance, and under garments also there will be separate functions like production, marketing, and finance. But they performed all together to achieve a common goal. Common goal for the organization. Fine. So each divisions work as a profit center where the divisional head is responsible for the profit or loss of his division only. Why divisional head is responsible? Because we prepare all these heads like production head, marketing head, finance head. We appoint these heads to take care of the divisions so that they are responsible for the profit or loss of the divisions of particular product that the job has been assigned to them for according to the organization. Fine. So under functional structure only one product is produced, and under divisional structure more than one product. but it depends upon the wish of the organization. Fine. Let's see the difference now. The difference between functional and divisional structure. First of all, formation. Functional structure is based on function. As I told you, that these are based upon the functions are to be performed in the organization, and all the jobs related to production are grouped in production department. All the jobs related to purchase are grouped under purchase department, and jobs related to finance in finance department, and so on. Fine. So we can say the companies like Maruti Udyog, Bata, Britannia Industries follow functional structure. Fine. Because in that structure they have four type of departments, say it be production, marketing, purchasing and human resource. And all these departments work for the growth of only one product that is given to them. Fine. So they are related to with one product only that is produced in the enterprise. Fine. So divisional structure is based on the product line and it's supported by the functions. Under divisional structure, we have already discussed that there are separate functions or business units and more than one products are produced. Fine. For example, if a company is producing cosmetics, medicine, soap, textile, cement, footwear and garment, etc., then all the activities related to soap will be grouped in soap department. All the activities related to footwear will be under footwear department and so on. Fine. So under divisional structure, each unit has a division manager responsible for the performance and who has the authority over the unit. Fine. And each division is self-contained as it develops expertise in all the functions related to a product line. Fine. So under divisional structure, this is based on product line and it's supported by function. And here each division works as a profit center. How? Because divisional heads are accountable for profits and cost related to different departments can be easily identified and assigned to them. Fine. So functional structure is based upon functions and divisional structure is based on product line and it's supported by functions. Our second difference is specialization. Functional structure specialized according to functions means functional structure brings functional specialization and divisional structure leads to product specialization. How? Because under functional structure, one product and different departments are there and different departments work for the functional specialization for their own department only. Fine. And under divisional structure, if more than one product is produced in the organization, then there will be specialization according to the product produced and all the departments who are responsible for the development of the product, they will do the work to the growth of the particular product and division that is allocated to them according to the organization. Fine. So functional structure brings functional specialization and divisional structure brings product specialization. Our next difference is responsibility. In functional structure, we can see it is very difficult to fix responsibility on a particular department, because in this structure we cannot fix responsibility on a department. Every department is responsible for their own activity and growth. Fine. But under divisional structure, it is easy to fix the responsibility on a particular department. How? Because every department is responsible for their performance and each head is responsible for the department. So under divisional structure, it is very easy to fix the responsibility on a particular department. And in functional structure, it is very difficult to fix a responsibility on a particular department. Fine. How? Because it is very difficult to know department responsibilities under functional structure. No department will take accountability for adverse result. And adverse means negative results. And under divisional structure, it is easier to ascertain divisional responsibilities because divisional manager cannot shirk responsibility for adverse results. Because if the manager is responsible for a particular group or particular department, he cannot shirk responsibility for adverse results, because at that time he is the only one who is responsible for the growth and development as well as for the negative results of the department. Fine. So under functional structure, it is very difficult to fix responsibility, but under divisional structure it is easy to fix the responsibility. Fine. Understood? Now, our next difference is managerial development. Under functional structure, it is difficult for the development of manager as manager becomes specialized in one function only. Under functional structure, it is very difficult as each functional manager has to report to the top management. Fine. And under divisional structure, it is easier. Autonomy as well as chance to perform multiple functions help in managerial development. Fine. So under functional structure, it is very difficult to fix managerial development. How? Because each manager has to report to the top management. Fine. Department manager is specialized in doing only one kind of job, so limited development takes place. Fine. And under divisional structure, it is very easier. We can say it is easier than functional structure because autonomy. Autonomy means the right of self-governing. Fine. Means the quality of being self-governing. We can say independence. Fine. Self-directing freedom or independence. So, under divisional structure, autonomy is there in managerial functions. So, as well as the chance to perform multiple functions help in managerial development. Fine. So under functional structure, it is very difficult the development of the manager because they are doing only one kind of job. So limited development takes place. And under divisional structure, divisional manager is versatile as he looks after so many jobs. Fine. So development is possible. Fine. Development for the manager is more under divisional structure in comparison to functional structure. Fine, beta. So our next difference is cost. In functional structure, it is economical as compared to divisional structure. Because under functional structure, functions are not duplicated. Functions are gone in one way and all the functions are going smoothly. So these are economical in comparison to divisional structure. Fine. Functions are not duplicated here. So since there is no duplication of job, cost incurred in production of the product is less, where under functional structure. And under divisional structure, there is duplication of jobs, so cost incurred is high. How? Because duplication of jobs means duplication of resources are used in various departments. Fine. So cost is high. So it is expensive in terms of cost because all the resources are required in different departments. So it is the duty of the manager to make all the resources available in all the departments. So it is costly in comparison to functional structure. Functional structure is economical in comparison to divisional structure. Fine, beta. So we can basically say that functional structure is economical and divisional structure is costly. Fine. Because under functional structure, functions are not duplicated. Functions are gone through only once process. And under divisional structure, the duplication of resources in various departments. So use of resources in various departments means resources are needed more in comparison to functional structure. That's why divisional structure is costlier than functional structure. Next one is coordination. Under functional structure, difficult for a multi-product company. Coordination means all the departmental heads work as per their discretion, means freedom to act. So it becomes difficult to establish coordination. They are saying all the under functional structure, say it be 4 department: production, purchase, marketing and human resource. So the department head of all these departments are working according to their discretion, according to their own wish. So it becomes difficult to establish coordination because they all are working for the growth of their own department. Fine. And divisional structure, it is very easy because all the functions related to a particular product are integrated in one department. They are saying whole division is headed by only one divisional head who controls all the divisional activities. So coordination is established where under divisional structure. Coordination is established under divisional structure. And under functional structure, it is very difficult for a multi-product company because all the departments are busy in the growth of their own department only. So they are not responsible for ups and downs in other departments. That's why coordination is difficult in functional structure and it is easy in divisional structure because all the functions related to a particular product are integrated in one department. So if there are two products in the department, suppose say it be divisional structure, if there are two products, definitely under one product, whosoever the department are working, they will cooperate with each other. Why? Because they have a competition with other product that the organization is producing. Fine. So under functional structure, coordination is difficult and under divisional structure, it is easy. Next one is suitability. What is the suitability of functional and divisional structure? That we know that functional structure where there is only one main product that is sold and we have to make department according to one product that is sold. Fine. And under divisional structure where a number of main product is more than one. Because under functional structure, if one product is there that is sold, say it be cosmetic, so four department will be working under that: production, marketing, purchase and human resource. Fine. And under divisional structure, if there are more than one, say it be soap, medicine, fine, footwear, garments, all these departments. So all these products have separate department. If it is garment, then it will have four departments: production, marketing, purchase and human resource. And if it is footwear, then it will also have four departments: production, marketing, purchase and human resource. And same with other product if it is producing. So suitability under functional structure is when there is only one main product that is sold, because all the activities are surrounded to one product only. And under divisional structure where a number of product is more than one. Fine. So we have already read about the difference between functional and divisional structure. Your homework is to revise this topic, learn and note down in your notebook.